Discover the hidden path to wealth, the secret that will change your financial future. Welcome, chosen ones. What if I told you that you don't have to be tied to a 9-to-5 job to achieve financial success? What if there's a way to break free from the endless grind and create lasting prosperity without being a slave to a paycheck? Imagine living a life where money doesn't control you. Instead, you control it. It's not a dream. It's a reality that's within your reach. But the key is a secret that was hidden for thousands of years. A secret that King Solomon, the richest and wisest man to ever live, knew well. And now, it's time to unlock that secret and put it into action. Are you ready to change the way you view money forever? We've all been taught the same thing. Get a job, earn a steady paycheck, work hard, and eventually you'll retire comfortably. But what if I told you that this mindset is exactly what keeps most people stuck in a cycle of stress and financial insecurity? Think about it. No matter how many hours you put in, no matter how hard you work, your financial future is at the mercy of someone else's decisions. You're trading your time for money, but what if time is the most valuable thing you have? King Solomon's ancient wisdom shows us that true wealth isn't about earning more money from a job. It's about making wise decisions that multiply your resources and create lasting financial freedom. What if the answer to your financial struggles wasn't a paycheck at all, but a shift in how you think about wealth? Solomon's teachings tell us something radical. True prosperity isn't measured by the money you make. It's about how you manage and grow what you have. You see, it's not about how much money is in your bank account. It's about how wisely you spend, invest, and multiply what you already have. This idea flies in the face of the traditional approach to wealth, where we're taught to rely on a job as the sole source of income. But Solomon knew better. He built his wealth not just by earning, but by using wisdom to make smarter, more strategic choices. Choices that allowed his wealth to grow steadily and last long into the future. Now ask yourself, are you ready to stop working for money and start making money work for you? The path to wealth isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter, making informed decisions, and creating multiple streams of income that give you the freedom to live life on your terms. Here's the truth. You don't need a traditional job to be wealthy. Solomon understood that wealth isn't just about having a paycheck. It's about creating systems of wealth that allow money to flow to you, regardless of your employment status. Instead of relying on a single paycheck, Solomon's approach was to diversify, to create multiple streams of income that would grow his wealth over time. Whether it was through investments, businesses, or wise decisions, he built his wealth on solid strategic choices. Think about it. How much more secure would your financial life be if you didn't rely on a single job? What if you could wake up each morning knowing that your money is working for you, generating income in various ways? That's the power of Solomon's wisdom, and it's within your grasp. But here's where it gets exciting. You can start today. You don't need to wait until tomorrow or rely on luck. Solomon's teachings are practical and actionable. The first step is simple. Learn. Invest in yourself by gaining knowledge about how money works, how to make it grow, and how to diversify your sources of income. Are you willing to put in the time and effort to understand how financial freedom works? The second step is diligence. Working smart, not just hard. It's not about putting in hours at a job, but using your time and energy to make your money grow. Solomon's wisdom shows us that diligence pays off, but only if you're investing your time and resources wisely. The third step is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Create multiple streams of income so that you're not vulnerable to changes in the job market or economy. And lastly, grow your assets. Invest for the long term. Be patient. Solomon wasn't interested in quick wins. He was in it for the long haul, and that's why his wealth lasted. Now, here's the most important question. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? The traditional way of thinking about wealth, working for a paycheck, living paycheck to paycheck, and hoping for a retirement someday, isn't the only path to success. It's time to stop waiting for someone else to give you financial security. It's time to stop relying on a paycheck and start building your own path to prosperity. The journey starts with a single decision. Will you choose to take control of your finances? Will you follow Solomon's advice and begin applying wisdom to every decision you make? The power is in your hands.